Hey y'all, it's Tiffany Clemens with Pretty Passion LLC. Make sure y'all follow my business account first at Pretty Passion LLC, and then you can follow me personally at Tiffany Clemens. Okay, yeah, so I'm pulling the cat out of the bag. Whatever comes out of this bag, as long as it's good hair, baby, we can rock and roll. Okay, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. I promise y'all this is going to be a good video. I did not say that it would not be a ratchet video. It might be a little ratchet, but it's going to be a good video. You're going to get it. I promise you. By the time you leave off this video, you're going to know how to do a quick weave real quick. Okay? Go in the U part. I measured off the track before putting it on my head. Yes, I'm wearing two caps. I have my hair molded down. It's short now because I cut it. We're going to follow this U shape all the way around up into the top center where I will be placing a closure, a lace closure, a 4x4 closure. Shout out to my boy King J117 for the music. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on his YouTube channel as well as mine at Pretty Passion LLC and at King J117 if you want more. Okay, we're going to continue on with this U part. Thinking about my uncle, swear to God that I miss him. Times he showed me love, times he gave me hugs. I wanted to be just like you cause I knew you was the plug. Grandma said you gotta live your own life, not your uncle's. I said grandma wanna be fresh. Okay, so right here I already added the 4x4 closure, which I didn't catch it on camera because it was last minute. I really didn't know what I wanted to do with it. I decided I didn't want to traditional quickly. So here you see me closing it on up, bring the traits all the way up to that closure. I'm gonna close it in with like about 4 little short pieces horizontal. We're no longer doing the U shape. You'll see me doing that. I cut out 4 pieces. Yeah, 4 pieces to be exact. And then I added glue and kept measuring and trying to make sure I was doing the right length. So I won't overlap my extensions. Thinking about my uncle, swear to God that I miss him. Times he showed me love, times he gave me hugs. I wanted to be just like you cause I knew you was the plug. Grandma said you gotta live your own life. Now finally adding that last little short piece straight across horizontal. Not in a U shape, okay? Now I gotta find my part. I spray a little bit, got to spray, use my wax stick to section it off. Right, you see me pressing it down real good with this hot comb, baby, because I want that thing flat. I want that little real flat and real natural, okay? So that's why I use the closure. I want you to be able to see my part. I'm adding more glue because I did miss and put my closure up real bad, okay? I wasn't concerned about the glue slipping through because I'm cutting into a bang. It wasn't a big deal for me. My bands up, trying to be like Brady. He showed a nigga how to hustle, man. This shit was crazy. Run it up, count it fast, flip it, and I get it too. Niggas talking shit like they know me, they don't know what I've been through. Talking all this shit, cause this my pain on the beats. My best videos happen when I'm sitting on the floor in the comfort of my home, in my zone, in peace and quiet. Okay, I don't know, it just works for me. Perfect picture, sit here reminiscing, thinking about my uncle, swear to God that I miss him. Times he showed me love, times he gave me hugs. I wanted to be just like you cause I knew you was the plug. Grandma said you gotta live your own life, not your uncle's. I said grandma wanna be fresh, I wanna get money. Fly cars, nigga trying to live flashy, not bummy. Hoes don't wanna show you love if you ain't. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for your girl. And also follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Tiffany Clemens, Pretty Fashion LLC. Of course, follow my business page first. That's Pretty Fashion LLC. I post a lot of reels on there and on Facebook. Girl, yeah, I thought it was fine, you know. If you want more, subscribe and like and follow us. Okay.